it's Sophia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be part 2 of my Amazon haul. I really enjoyed filming part 1, so here is part 2. So today's video is going to be mostly focused on kitchen items because I am a full-grown adult and I get really excited about kitchen gear. It's so sad. I didn't think my life was gonna get there, but that's where we are right now. Before I start, make sure that you subscribe to this channel if it's not already done, and also thumbs up this video. It helps me a lot when you do. And finally, follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is Sophia Tim _. I'm really trying to grow my Instagram page, so make sure that you go and support me, Sophia Tim _. The link is going to be in the description box. So the first item that I want to show you is the pièce de résistance. I don't know why I'm saying it like that because I'm actually French. La pièce de résistance. It's the star of the show. It's the Beyonce of this whole haul, okay? It's... Give me a moment. Oh, no, it's actually heavier than I remembered. My hair fryer? My hair fryer. My hair? Yes, Sophia? H's are really hard, okay? Anyway, so... this baby, I'm gonna put it down because it's really heavy and this is not practical, but this thing is the best thing about this year, period. I was heavily influenced by Aisha Haroon and other people on YouTube who have an air fryer. Listen, I didn't know that I needed one, but I did, and you probably do too. If you're frying anything, you need an air fryer because this thing is so good. It's so amazing. It's so versatile. I do so many things with it that I didn't know I could do. I made fish in this. I made chicken wings. I made chicken breasts. I made fried chicken. I sound like I'm only eating chicken, and that's just really proving some stereotypes. But I also do dumplings and egg rolls and potatoes. The fries in this air fryer are just amazing, and it's also a lot healthier than deep frying food, so honestly I recommend it to anyone. There's actually already so many people in my entourage who bought one because of me, because I've been hyping it up. I've really been hyping it up. The model that I have is really simple. I know there's a few models that have a lot more features than this one. This one is really simple, but also it wasn't too overwhelming. There's literally only 2 buttons. So one of the buttons is like a timer and the other one is the temperature, and the timer also serves as the on and off button. So super easy to use, like a 3-year-old could use it. So I like that because sometimes... Anyways, it cost me $120 Canadian, which I think is worth every single penny, okay? So I think I have talked enough about this air fryer for like the next year. Anyways, the link is going to be in the description box if you want one, because you know you want one. Next I got this. Sounds really familiar. So I got a milk frother. So good. I never really needed one in the past, I have to be honest, but because of like the quarantine and all the quarantine trends, I started doing this Dalgona coffee that requires that I froth milk. Yeah, that requires that I froth the coffee and the sugar and the hot water together, and honestly it was a pain. Like, this used to be me, sad, desperate, working hard with little to no result, and look at me now, happy, ready to tackle life. I look like I have my finances in order, my bills are paid on time. I look happy. I am happy. Anyways, I really like this. It wasn't expensive. It came with the batteries, which I really appreciate because I don't understand why people would sell me something that requires battery without selling it to me. So thank you. Yeah, really like it. And like, I think like a day after I bought it, I saw one that you could just plug and recharge, and I was very mad. I was actually really pissed that I didn't get this one instead, but we're good. Next, I have this right here. Am I really excited about like something to hold sugar? Yes, it's my life now, okay? It's my life. So I got this little pot right here, and I really like the style of this. I wanted something to replace the one I had. The one I had were really old and they were kind of falling apart. So I really wanted something simple, neutral, minimalist, but also kind of like I'm putting effort into my life, you know? I really love the fact that the top is like this little ball. I think it's really cute. I only got one, but I think I'm going to get the bigger one just to put coffee next to it in my little section is going to be adorable, and yeah, I really like this. Next I got these mugs. I've been wanting like these clear mugs for a really long time, and I feel like these are just so cute and simple, but also like really Instagrammable. Sometimes I'm really ashamed of myself, but at this point in my life, I just assume it fully. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So the next thing that I got is this Ninja blender. It's like the small one. I really like the Ninja brand. I had the big blender before, but I kind of broke it. Like, I know it's a good brand, and so we decided to go with this one because honestly we were mostly using the big blender to make like juice or to blend like little soup. So we didn't need the full one, and I just wanted something that I could leave on the counter without it taking so much space because we don't have a lot of counter space, unfortunately, right now. So this one is like the perfect size, and also I really like the aesthetic of the Ninja brand. I think it's really nice and simple and like kind of sleek. So really like this, and we mostly make juices and smoothies and soup with it. If you're looking for a new blender, like I feel like this video is so boring, but like it's my life, guys. It's really my life. Like next I got these straws, and they are reusable straws. I really love drinking with straws. I don't know, it makes me feel important. It makes me feel like someone cares for me. And it came in a set of 3. I drink like my little dalgona coffees with them or whatever, or juice or smoothies. I feel like these are like the perfect size. Like it's not too small and it's not too big. Some of them are really big, and it's just too much things in your mouth at the same time, you know? Anyways, if someone would have told me that one day I would be showing my pans on YouTube, I would have said, girl, you don't know me. But here I am. This is my life now. It is really my life. So I got this pan because I kind of like making pancakes, and I feel like it takes too long. So I kind of wanted to have 2 pans to do it at the same time. I really like Starfrit. I think Starfrit kind of know what they're doing in this industry of the pans. Like, I am impressed. It's so easy to clean. Nothing sticks. I like it. I think I'm gonna get another one of these because I just like them so much. And this was so inexpensive. I think it was like $10. Like, what? And plus, it could be used to like, I always thought I was gonna end up having to hit someone with a pan one day. Maybe I watched too many movies as a kid, but I feel like it's just gonna happen one day that I'm going to need a pan to hit someone real hard. Not my husband, don't worry, but like maybe an intruder or something like that. I'm just ready. So the last item that I have is this little bamboo tray right here, and this is super simple but also kind of cute and convenient. So these bamboo trays can be used in the kitchen or in the bathroom depending on like how you want to use it. At first I was going to use it in the bathroom downstairs, but like the more I was thinking about it, I was like, this is kind of cute on my counter, you know? I kind of put like my sugar on top of it, and it creates like a designated area, you know? I don't know, it's kind of cute. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. It's actually it, guys, for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel if it's not already done, and also follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is Sophia Tim_. I make new videos every Thursdays and Sundays, so make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram if it's not already done. My name on Instagram is Sophia Tim_. Also, I have a blog. My blog is pardonafrenchgirl.com. If you made it all the way here, it's probably because you love me anyway, so that's why I'm plugging myself like that. And if you made it all the way here and you don't like my face and you're still not subscribed, I don't understand why. Please don't tell me. I'm easily hurt. Anyways, on that note, au revoir, bisous, bisous. Let's do this again. It's a really like, let's do this again. Should I do it again?
I would.
Yeah?
Cool.
Should I do the outro again? Was that okay?
Well, that's like,
It wasn't good.
I feel like the first one was better.
And then dab it just like you're shaking it clean, shaking it clean, shaking it
Bro. Is that okay?
Sure.
Was that okay? It is what it is.
Are you gonna insert that?
Yes. Because it's hilarious. I'm just ready.